In this video, I'm going to show you how to get cursed fruit in Grow a Garden Roblox. So, in case you've heard of the cursed fruit, there's actually a very small chance of you being able to get it. But of course you can do it, and I'm going to show you how. So, what you have to do is if you open up the shop over here on the left, as you can see, this is now the new exotic seed pack, and over here, this is just for a limited time, it says there's a 0.5% chance to actually get this cursed fruit. So this icon over here, this is the cursed fruit, and next to it, it says 0.5%, which means that's how little of a chance you have to actually get it. And as you can see, one pack costs like 200 Robux, 3 costs 575, and then 10 packs cost 1,700 Robux. So in case you want to risk it, in case you have like a lot of Robux, you may want to buy this. However, the chance of you actually getting this is very slim. So in case you don't want to spend too many Robux, unfortunately this is just not going to be worth it for you, because you can make just a lot of money by just using these other fruits available in the game for free as well. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.